Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys, in today's video I am going to be making a crochet wig. As you can see, I have tons and tons of hair, but in a future video I will be making wigs with this hair here, and I'm excited to make that because I have not done ombre hair for myself ever. So this is going to be interesting. And then I'm also going to be making a wig out of this hair here, this free tress body wave, this free tress water wave. So yeah, I'm going to be making that, you guys. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to the channel so that you don't miss the videos on these two wigs, okay? But today, you guys, in this video we are going to be making a wig out of this Zury crochet hair. It's one pack. Supposedly one pack is enough, so we're going to go ahead and make this wig today and check it out. All right, you guys, so again, this is the Zury crochet hair V8910. V just means that the hair will be in a V shape, and it comes in 8, 9, and 10 inches. This is in the GOGO curl, and this is the color FS1B30. So we are going to be using a standard mesh cap, like I said before. This does have an open top, which I will show you guys how I close that, but for now I'm just going to tie a knot in the top of it so I can go ahead and get started on installing the hair. I will be showing you kind of my process as well as how I make a natural hairline on my crochet wig. So I'll be showing you guys that in the video, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and get started on installing the hair. First up, I'm just kind of using the pieces as they came. They're a little bit thicker. I just wanted to see how they will come out if I did it this way, but in the end I end up deciding to split these pieces. But just so you can see kind of up close how it looks and kind of see the hair, you guys, this hair texture is amazing. It is so soft, so it's very textured, okay? So it feels like natural hair. Already I am in love with the texture of this hair, so I'm excited to use it. All right, you guys, so now I'm just going around the perimeter of the neck cap. You guys, look how easy this hair pulls apart. I mean, no snags, no knots, no nothing. Oh my God, when I tell you guys I love it so much, I'm not joking. But yeah, so I'm just going around the perimeter and the back of the neck cap with the 10-inch hair. For now, I'm not going to be putting any hair on the elastic band of the neck cap. I'm just going to be going around in a half moon shape from side to side, back and forth. Like I said, just around the back. And you guys, this is not going to be a full-blown tutorial just because I've done one of those videos before already, which I will go ahead and link in the description box below. I will, however, be showing you guys how I make the natural hairline on the front of the crochet wig. Basically, for now, I just want to go through and make sure I put all of the 10-inch throughout the back and make sure that it's full but not too packed in so that the wig doesn't have any give once you're ready to put it on. But I don't want it to be sparse and have a lot of empty spots. So, you know, when you're doing your own wig, you just kind of want to fill it out and see how thick you want your own wig personally for yourself. And real quick disclaimer, you guys, I am not making this wig for myself. I'm actually making this for my wonderful, amazing auntie. Hey, TT. So, yeah, you guys are not going to be seeing me wear this, and I'm not going to be doing a final review of the hair, okay? But right now I want to show you guys how I close up this neck cap. Basically, I just use the crochet hair itself and I just weave it through the opening so that it will close itself up and I don't have to worry about any glue or needle and thread or anything like that. I just go ahead and lace it up with that crochet hair, and that's that. little tip, you guys, when you're making your crochet wigs, I like to at this point pull the neck cap completely over the styrofoam head, like over the face part, so that you're taking away all that slack. So when you put it on your head, it's a little bit stretchier and you're not, you know, making it too tight and the net starts to pop and stuff like that. So just a tip. But right here, I'm going to show you guys how I make the natural hairline for the crochet wig. So basically I stick the crochet needle through the elastic band and I pull the hair through the band. So I go ahead and I make the knot, and if it's not tight enough, then I'll make an extra knot out of 2 smaller pieces of the hair. But when you do this and you go in that downward motion, it allows the hair to fall back and have a natural appearance, so it doesn't look like there's a elastic band under there, and it doesn't look like there is any type of, you know, anything right there. So it's nice to be able to do that. So if you do want to wear it and have it look more natural and maybe slick your hair down in the front so that you don't have to have any leave out, that is perfect. So if you can see right there, it looks very natural when you pull it back. Alright, you guys, so on this part of the wig, I do like to put the hair a little bit closer together than I do in the back, just because, like I said, this is the front and you want it to look full and you don't want there to be any spaces and different things like that, and it just gives it volume when you put it a lot closer. So I do like to do that, but like I said, just for in the front, I don't put them that close throughout the wig. So yeah. But however, once I am done, I do like to go through and just make sure that it's not too empty in some spots, not too thick in some spots. So, you know, I like to go over it and kind of just double back on that. Alright, you guys, so I've made my way all the way around. I'm at the top now. So I did, of course, I'm assuming it goes without saying, but just for anybody who doesn't know, I definitely started with the 10" in the back. I did the moon shape around, and then I went ahead and started with the 9". I also did the moon shape around, and then once I hit the front area, I started with the 8" and worked my way up through the top, so that it has that really nice, really natural layered look. So right now I'm just filling in this little circular part at the top, just making sure that it's full enough to where it looks not too sparse and like there's not spaces missing, but also not too full, because you don't want the wig to be, number one, too heavy, and you know, when it's a really high density, it kind of looks fakeish, and I really want this to have a natural look. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of this wig with this hair. You guys, I am in love with this hair. The texture is amazing. It was amazing to work with. I mean, when I tell you I didn't experience not one knot, look how natural this front part looks. You throw this on, throw a couple clips in there, if you know, kind of just manipulate it a little bit, nobody will ever know it's a crochet wig. Not nobody, okay? So yeah, you guys, again, I really did like working with this hair. I did not even have to use all of the hair, so that's really good as well too. I mean, you can if you really want to, but I really just didn't need to. Like I said, I didn't want it to be super duper packed in. But yeah, you guys, I really do recommend this hair to work with for sure. I'm going to ask my aunt what she thinks about it after she uses it. I'm going to go ahead and pack this up and send it on off to Illinois. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And oh, you guys, I finally came into the new ages and I got me an Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, KInTheLife03, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.